Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preventing cellular voice while preserving data. First, put the phone in airplane mode, then enable Wi-Fi so internet stays active. If you rely on a SIM for data, make sure your plan allows Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot device. If you prefer carrier settings, turn off voice services like VO LTE and disable call forwarding to your number. Once done, verify Wi-Fi access, and that calls no longer come through. This is your safety net before deeper changes. Next, you adjust internal settings to stop calls yet keep internet. In network settings, turn off VO LTE and Wi-Fi calling so the carrier won't route voice over data. Enable Do Not Disturb and customize it to silence calls while allowing app notifications and data traffic. If necessary, insert a data-only SIM or tether to a dedicated mobile hotspot. That keeps IP traffic flowing, but prevents voice service. Make sure messaging apps using data remain authorized, and double-check that emergency calling is handled per your preference. To finish, perform a full test. Have someone call your number while you confirm web pages, streaming, and apps still work over Wi-Fi or data. If voice still comes through, contact your carrier and ask to disable voice on the line or to block incoming caller ID. Alternatively, remove the SIM entirely and rely on Wi-Fi. If problems continue, reboot the device, reset network settings, or try a new SIM/hotspot. One key troubleshooting tip. If calls persist after changes, a carrier-level block is usually required. Ask them to disable voice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.